Okay, welcome. In this class today, we're going to talk about determining eye dominance. And this is something we want to do before we have our students go to the range, before they take their first shot. What we're going to find out from our students, they already know if they're right-handed or they're left-handed, but knowing what their eye dominance is going to make a lifelong success in shooting sports as they go on from here. So we're going to have our students come up and we're going to go through 2 or 3 exercises on how to determine eye dominance with our students. This can be done before you even get to the range, in the classroom, in the gym, and then they'll have an idea of how they're going to be shooting. What we want to do is determine if they're right eye dominant or left eye dominant, and that is the position they're going to be shooting from when they get to the range. So if y'all could go ahead and come up here, make 2 lines about 3 meters apart, 2 and 2, and facing each other. Okay, we're going to do 2 exercises right now to demonstrate eye dominance. One will be the aperture method, and one will be the point at the nose of the person across from you. But in both cases, please keep both eyes open as we do the exercises. Okay, so for the first exercise we're going to do is the aperture method. So we're going to have our hands down, straight arms. Bring your hands together and make a small aperture with your thumbs and hands and bring them up to your face. Now, look at the person across from you and put their face in the aperture, okay? And what do y'all see? Do you see one eye or the other from your partner? Left eye or right eye, okay? So as everybody has their arms raised, you can see the dominant eye and the person across from you, if they're left eye or right eye dominant, okay? Did everybody see that? Okay, the next method we're going to use is using our finger to point at the nose of the person across from us. Like the group over here, go ahead and raise your index finger and point to the people across from you.
Left.
Okay, and you can see directly the eye that the finger's under. Okay, go ahead and lower your arms. And next group, point opposite. Can you see a definite eye that the finger's pointing under? Okay. Next, we're going to talk about a third method called the point and wink. And what I'd like y'all to do is go ahead and move into a straight line, and we're going to look downrange right now. So get into a straight line. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is pick an object downrange, anything on the target, the guest scoreboard, whatever you'd like, whatever may be in the room, and with both eyes open, cover up the object, and everybody close their right eye. Did the object move for anyone?
Yes.
Okay, so your right eye dominant. Okay, keep your finger there. Close your left eye. Did it move for everybody else? Okay, so left eye dominant, okay? So did that confirm everything that y'all saw from the other 2 tests? Your left eye or right eye dominant? Everybody can go ahead and take their seat again. Okay, now that we've done this test, we found out from our students if they're right-handed and right eye dominant, or left-handed and left eye dominant. That's going to be most cases for most students, but sometimes they could be right-handed and left eye dominant, or vice versa. We call that cross-dominant. And we want those students to shoot with their dominant eye. So as we put them on the range, we're going to go ahead and start teaching them how to shoot with their dominant eye. Okay, it may be uncomfortable for some of them to do something opposite-handed that they're used to, but let's go ahead and get them started early, because again, that leads to a lot of success in shooting sports as they keep going on. Sometimes we have students that have trouble using their dominant eye or have trouble keeping both eyes open. So we have tools such as an occluder, which will cover up the non-dominant eye and have them forced to use their dominant eye as they're shooting. So that's something we can have available for them as needed. There's advantages of using the dominant eye, but we also want to be shooting with both eyes open. Okay? And with both eyes open, we have a wider field of range, we have more light coming in, we have better depth perception, and overall better concentration. So that's what we want to teach our students as they're going through the class.